Did you know you can now search on the Alloprof website using your voice? That's right. The Search with Your Voice feature is now available in the search bar. This is a technology that uses artificial intelligence to turn your voice into written text so you don't have to type anything. In this video, I will give you 6 tips to help you use this feature. These tips will help make sure that your search is effective and well understood. Before you start, to make sure your search is as effective as possible, make sure you think about what you want to say before clicking the button. This helps you avoid long pauses like, which can confuse the search. Then be sure to use relevant keywords and avoid unnecessary information. For example, if you say something like, help me with my exam on the area, you might not get the results that you're looking for. But if you say, how do you calculate the area of a circle? You'll get much more accurate results. To make sure your search is well understood, speak clearly, be sure to speak at a normal speed as if you're talking to someone, and avoid background noise. These tips will increase your chances of getting helpful search results. You can always use the filters to make your search even better. That's it. Give it a try. See you next time.